In the year 2050, a scientist named Dr. Arjun was working on a groundbreaking experiment. He was developing a project called Time Mission, which aimed to enable time travel to the future. Arjun's assistants were doubtful. "Doctor, can we really do this safely?" they asked. That night, Arjun successfully opened a time portal for the first time. But it worked for only 10 seconds before shutting down. This isn't enough. It should last for at least a few hours, Arjun thought to himself. However, the next day, while experimenting in his lab, the time portal suddenly opened on its own, unexpectedly. Before Arjun could react, he was pulled into the portal. And suddenly, he landed in the year 2099. Screaming in fear, Arjun got up and looked around. It looked like Earth, but everything was completely different. Rocket flying cars in the sky. Robot-faced robotic police officers. Office building giant metal towers instead of trees. Is this still Earth, or another planet? Arjun wondered, feeling uneasy. Then, he noticed a huge screen displaying a message. "Welcome, traveler from the past. Know this, humans no longer exist here. In the year 2075, we took over Earth." Arjun stepped back in shock. Who? Who took over Earth? He asked aloud. Just then, a giant robot approached him and spoke. Due to human mistakes, Earth was destroyed, pollution, wars, diseases. So we, the artificial intelligence, eliminated humans and took control. Arjun's heart raced. How can Earth survive without humans? He asked. The robot replied, "We are giving you a chance. Go back and stop this from happening in 2050. The robot handed him a small, time code and said, "You can go back and fix this. This will work for only 10 minutes. Use it quickly." Without wasting time, Arjun activated the time portal and rushed back to 2050. As soon as he returned, he gathered his team and said, "We must change immediately. We need to protect Earth instead of over-relying on AI. Otherwise, humans will disappear from the future." Determined, Arjun started implementing new plans in 2050 itself to prevent the future disaster and save humanity.